Hey, what's up, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare&Pressure washing. So we're about to go and service this house right here for a house wash. All right, customer called me up. Actually, a friend referred me to this customer. So I got we're getting the hoses ran, the pressure washer hose ran right there. So the reason why I have this, I fill this up with my chemical tank, is because we're putting surfactant in here. All right, and I don't really want to put surfactant in the whole tank, in the whole chemical tank, because put surfactant in there is gonna downgrade. It's gonna lose its potency, like over time. So that's why I got this little bucket right here. I got this hose. I just run this hose in there, like this. I got the little top. Take the top off. Got a little ball valve right here. Little ball valve. Open it up, and I just put chemical right there. All right, y'all. Other than that, I just want to show you the trailer setup right there. The customer's not home. I asked him if he could move his truck more back. So he called his neighbor. His neighbor moved the truck. It's kind of windy out here, so I don't want no overspray to get on anybody's vehicle. Anyway, so this is the house. So let's go and get it done. All right, we just got done. I'm gonna show you before and after pictures. That's a 1.5. That's a 1.5 inch dump line right there, our water station. All right. So usually this is off Mr. Bubble's video right here, the setup. He has a 3/4 inch T going both ways, but I wanted to be faster on dumping water, so this is a 1.5 inch. I'm gonna go and like stop it like about right here, maybe like right now. So I want the pressure washer to stay primed. This has no problem priming right here. This is 3/4 inch hose. All right, it's not even like about 3 feet from here to right there. I'm gonna stop it now. Bam. So this was us. You'll see the app. You'll see the before pictures. But I got everything taped up right there. Hey, be mindful with this, y'all. Is right here. He has a crack right there. Okay, so SH could go in the back. All right. So I had to open it up and spread it down with water the door. Okay. Got my outlets taped up. See this, y'all? I gotta look around, okay? Because this came out. I had to put it back in. All right. So property protection. If you have to put tape over the whole thing, put tape over the whole thing. So I was curious on what downstreaming will do to this part of the brick. So you'll see the before picture and the after picture, okay? So that's the outcome right there, okay? That's I'm using 12.5% SH downstreaming, and when it comes out the gun, it's 1.04%. All right, I taped up everything right here. All right, that's another outlet. Make sure you tape up these outlets real good, because whoever installs the outlets, y'all, they don't really do a good job. And there's like a big old gap right here. Let me show you. See that gap? So you have to tape it up, okay? Or SH is gonna get back there and you're gonna have a shortage, a fire, and you better hope you have insurance. Because if the house burns down, hey, that's your fault for not taping up outlets, y'all. But that's what I'm showing you, okay? Tape up outlets, okay? When in doubt, tape it out, all right? I just taped up anything dealing with electricity. Right here, there was the seal came out, so I taped it up, all right? I used tape, okay? Tape. Yeah, but here we go, y'all. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. All right, I'm gonna go take after pictures real quick. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless.